We're here with Daryl Knight, star of the day. Look at that, man. He is the star. Here it is. Wow. Wow. I can't believe he pulled this off. I told him to do a contemporary piece, casket spray. I don't know. I didn't give him much other directions. How do you explain this, young man? It's a masterpiece. It really is. There is nothing I would change about this, and every time someone does an arrangement, I'm like this. Move that over here. I'm always touching it. There is nothing I can see that I would touch on this. No. It is spectacular. What do you think?
I like it, and I've never done anything like this.
And this man is a couturier when it comes to this stuff. I can only imagine what he would do in a year or two from now. He's taken really very few classes with me. Him and his wife own a business. What's it called?
Front Porch Floral.
Front Porch Floral. Tell us about it.
We do seasonal outdoor arrangements for potted plants as well as indoor flower arrangements like bouquets and
weddings and casket sprays. They're blooming. They're learning and producing beautiful things.
You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, and we have a website, frontporchflora.com. 631-533-9727.
This is a very interesting guy. Let's just say he makes the world a better place. I admire what he does, in many ways. And here is a really spectacular contemporary piece. Those are monstera leaves, peach roses, a couple different kinds of eucalyptus, white stock. This is interesting. It's called oak leaf hydrangea. You don't see it very often, but here in New York, they have this store that provides just giant chopped bushes for you to use, but I absolutely love it. Sit back and imagine a bride and groom sitting right there with her big veil flowing. This could be a head table piece for a really glamorous, modern couple here in New York. What have you learned about flower design you didn't know before you started at the school here?
So as far as the master class goes, I was a little more nervous tackling larger pieces like this as compared to bouquets and things like that. And I actually learned that it's more fun to do the bigger ones.
Every designer loves to do bigger pieces, and we find them just as easy as anything small. Exactly. Anyway, Daryl Knight at Front Porch Flora in what city?
Smithtown, New York, on Long Island.
On Long Island. So this is just spectacular, Daryl Knight. Doesn't get any better. Flowerschool101.com.